Hey everybody, I'm Sarah from Creative Ramblings. Tonight I am sharing with you a really simple project, and we are making no-sew spring pillows. These pillows are gonna be great to decorate your living room, your bedroom, wherever you have throw pillows. Really fun and easy way, inexpensive way to update your home for spring and Easter. So let's jump in. This is the base that we're using for our pillows. These are 18-inch pillow covers, and they're kind of this like linen beige color, a nice neutral background, and they have a zip on them so we can fill them with a throw pillow. And at the end of this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to fill them, what to fill them with, and how to decorate with them. So what we want to do first is get an image to put on our pillow covers. I went to my computer and I printed out, this is just computer paper right here. I printed out a little picture of a bunny, something you can find for free on a lot of different sites. Nothing copyrighted here, it's just a bunny. You could even take a Sharpie and draw a picture of a bunny, something real simple like this. So print out an image that you really like, and I find that for this size pillow that we're using, just a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper works perfectly. You don't need anything bigger. So print that out, and then we're gonna cut it out. And I've cut out two shapes that we're using here today. So again, this is just paper, and I've got two different kinds of bunnies here. And we are going to use this to make our pillow covers. So the next thing you're gonna need is some fabric. And I chose a couple different types of fabric here. I've got a bright pastel yellow, this is just a cotton. And notice that these are scraps. You can also get some fat quarters. You can get a pack of fat quarters in different really spring colors. But I grabbed a yellow pastel, I've got this patterned kind of pink peach color. And then I grabbed some plaid because this goes with everybody's decor. Well, most people's decor. I love this plaid. So I am gonna show you how to get that image on this fabric and then onto your pillow. So I'm going to use this fabric right here, this pretty kind of pink peach color. And I've cut a piece that is the same size as my bunny. So I've got enough room to cut around it. Now these are no-sew pillows here, so we need something that's gonna help attach this bunny to the pillow cover without sewing. That material that we're going to use is called HeatnBond. This is an iron-on adhesive. So we are gonna grab a piece of HeatnBond, and we're just going to cut it the size, I'm gonna move my bunny for just a moment. We're gonna cut the HeatnBond the size of the fabric. It's an iron-on adhesive. You can use it, I know quilters use this. I use this for a lot of iron-on projects, but let me know if you've ever worked with this before. So I wanna make sure it's just big enough to fit my bunny here. And then I'll show you what HeatnBond looks like. So it's got this kind of paper on one side and a shiny part on the other side. So we're gonna take that shiny part and put it on the wrong side of the fabric. So the pretty side of the fabric is facing the table. The shiny part of the HeatnBond is on top of the fabric. Now we are just gonna stick these two together. And we're gonna do that with an iron. Now this is my go-to iron. This is my Cricut Easy Press right here. It operates as an iron and I use it for all of my crafts, but a regular household iron will work just fine. So I'm just gonna push this on here. An iron on like medium heat is gonna do this just fine. And all we're doing is we're sticking that shiny part to the fabric. It only takes a few seconds, and then these two are adhered together. So we've got the fabric and we've got this paper backing on here. Now what we're gonna do here is take our little bunny, put it on that paper backing, grab a pencil and just trace the bunny. So what this is allowing us to do is just cut out a really pretty shape to put on our pillow without using any machines. I do own a Cricut. I do a lot with my Cricut. If you follow me, you can find all kinds of Cricut projects, but sometimes it's nice to just be able to do it the old-fashioned way. So the paper backing of the Heat and Bond allows a great place to draw something. Now again, you could freehand a bunny or you can draw it like this. I'm just gonna take a scissors and cut it out. All right, so we've got our bunny cut out. So the fabric is on this side. On this side, we have that paper backing. Now to stick this to a pillow, all we do is peel off the paper backing. And we can discard the paper. And what we're left with is this shiny backside, and that acts as an iron-on adhesive onto our pillow cover. So let's get this bunny onto our pillow cover. I'm gonna show you how easy that is. So we're just gonna lay out a pillow cover here. I am gonna put this zippered part actually towards me, toward the bottom. And I'm gonna open up that zipper, and I advise you to put something inside the pillowcase. This is a mat that comes with my Easy Press, but if you are using an iron, just put a piece of cardboard or a really thick towel in there, because you don't want to stick your two sides of your pillow together or anything like that. Then I'm gonna grab a big ruler and just find the center here. Put my finger on the center. And then I'm just gonna mark with my pencil where the center of this pillowcase is. Then I'm gonna take my bunny and put it right in the center. What kind of fabric would you choose if you were doing this? I kind of love how the pastel color looks on this real neutral background here. So I've got him on there, and now watch how easy this is. This only takes a few seconds to do. I'm gonna grab my Easy Press or my iron again, put it right on top of my bunny. Maybe 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. It doesn't take too long at all. You can lift it up and just check the corners here. And this is actually on really good. The Heat and Bond does not take long at all to stick. And in fact, if you push too long, you could damage your fabric. So there, that's it. So now, we're actually gonna leave the piece on the inside because we're gonna embellish this a little bit, but look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? And that only took a few minutes. So now we're gonna dress up our bunny a little bit because we don't want just a plain pillow or a plain bunny. We wanna dress him up a little bit. So I've grabbed some pom-poms here. We'll take a white pom-pom and give our bunny a little tail. So over here, just gonna use a little hot glue. Give him a tail. You could use fabric glue for that as well. I find that with throw pillows, they don't get a ton of use. They just kind of hang out on my couch, so I don't need to be too fancy with them. A little hot glue is gonna hold that on just fine. Now, I thought it would be fun to add a little ribbon to this bunny's neck here. So I just grabbed some gray ribbon. I think it looks nice with this. I'm gonna cut two pieces of this gray ribbon here and kind of fold it into a bow. I'm gonna pull my hot glue gun over too. I'm just gonna make a little loop here. Push this down. So I've just kind of looped this around here like this. Now I'm going to take this other little piece and kind of put it around the center here to turn it into a bow. Nothing fancy. You could tie a bow too, but we're just adding a little bow to our bunny. And then on the back side here, we're just gonna pull these pieces together. Hot glue gun is your friend when you're making little crafts like this. What I like about the bunnies is they work for spring and not just for Easter. There, look at that, cute little bow. And I'm going to hot glue this around our bunny's neck. Let's see, I think we'll go like this. Grab my scissors and just trim off some of these edges. There. You could also do like little chicks like this. You could even do, maybe some flowers would be really nice. For spring, flowers are always good. I'm gonna tack the rest of this down here. And there we go. look at that. Look at that little bunny with the ribbon. How adorable is that? So let's talk about stuffing these pillows. So when you're stuffing a pillow, what I like about buying just the pillow covers, and I could take this insert out now because we are all done. What I like about buying pillow covers is that you can use your existing pillows that are on your couch and just add new pillow covers to them. So easy. Or if you don't have nice pillows on your couch or you want to get something new, you can get them off of Amazon. They'll probably show up tomorrow. And they're really nice, they're soft, they're not super expensive, and they fit perfectly in these pillow covers. A little tip, these are 18-inch pillow covers, 20-inch pillows. You want your pillow insert to be a little bit bigger than your pillow cover so it fills it out. So now that everything's dry on our bunny here, we're just gonna shove the pillow in and make sure it really gets into those corners. But once you have a set of these inserts, you can make these pillows for spring and then change them out for summer, change them out for winter. It is such a fun way to decorate for the season. So they take a little bit of playing around with to just make sure that, you know, you've got it all stuffed in the corners, but we've got this nice full pillow here. Now let me show you a couple other options that we've made. This is the same bunny, but we made him out of plaid, and I put a little felt for his tail instead of a pom-pom and then a blue ribbon. So same bunny. And then this is that other bunny that I showed you right at the beginning, just a simple pale yellow bunny with a little pom-pom tail. So a lot of ways to decorate for Easter. So let me show you how I am using these in my home. So this little bench near my front door gets changed out seasonally, and this pillow was actually up here throughout the winter, and I can leave that up and just add one of these cute little bunny pillows to that to dress it up for spring. I also have the other one that we just made over by my front door to welcome my guests in. So I want to thank you so much for watching tonight. I hope you are inspired to go make some no-sew spring and Easter pillows for your home. Thank you so much for watching tonight. Bye, everybody.